Hi, with the animation you are seeing on the screen, let's learn the working of a hydraulic cylinder and how it works as the direction of a oil flow control valve is being changed. So let's identify the components in this animation. So what we have here is the control valve. Here we have the hydraulic pump, and this is the hydraulic ram over here, which has been connected towards the boom and the dipper of a construction equipment. This is the excavator side of a construction equipment. So this is the hydraulic cylinder, as you can see. This side is known as the head side of the hydraulic cylinder, and this side is called as the rod side. This is called head side because this is the maximum area of contact of the piston, and here where we have the piston rod, this is called as the rod side. So what happens is that the hydraulic pump is providing a flow through the control valve. That means the flow is reaching the control valve, but it is only allowed to pass towards the hydraulic cylinders when the ports are open. So actually the ports have been controlled manually. So here we have the spool, and as we move the spool you can see the ports get matched and being obstructed. So what happens is that as the operator turns the spool like this, the hydraulic line with the control valve matches over here. Here you can see these both lines are actually not been linked, so the flow comes over here and it stops here, but as the spool is moved the line matches and the flow transfers through this hose and reaches the rod side of the hydraulic cylinder, and it creates a pressure and push the piston towards the rear side, and the oil in the head side actually returns back towards the tank through the control valve. So that's the simple principle of how a hydraulic cylinder works and how the control valve controls it. So the control valve and the pump is actually doing the function of a human heart. So this is our heart over here. So this is simply actually supplying the blood towards our hand, and actually takes back it towards the heart. So the heart is working like a pump and a control valve because our heart has pump it's pumping the blood, and also it has valves inside. So it's almost doing the same function of a control valve and a hydraulic pump in a construction equipment.